This conference will now be recorded.
So I'll go to Photoshop. I'll go to File. Okay, I will take New File, which is A4 size. So today class we are going to create the poster designs. So any kind of posters, we have educational poster designs are there. We have multiple kind of poster designs are there. Okay, so some of the posters my students are created already. I will show you people. We have different kind of poster design. Educational poster designs are there. Any fashion designing poster designs are there. Okay, so these are the students they did actually. So this is something related to fashion related cosmetics. Okay, this is related to that kind of posters. Okay, you can consider as a pamphlet also. It will come with the A4 size. A4 size, or you can reduce the size of that. So this is also A4 size, otherwise lesser than A4 size. Okay. So which is having, this is something related to travel related poster or pamphlet, anything you can consider. Okay. So you can make how bigger posters also you can make it. Okay. See, this is travel related posters. If you type it front and back, and then it will become pamphlet designs. See, this is something related to food. Okay, so we have different poster designs will be there. Okay, so we'll go to Photoshop. I'll go to here. I will take this international paper in that A4 size. We have to take always A4 size only. I'll just give OK. Now I have to do the student poster designs. I have to make a student poster design. So what I will do, I will make a nice shape. Okay. So you people practiced, I think. 1 second. Okay, so what I will do, I will take this selection tool. Otherwise you can go to this pen tool, and here we have an option. Then you can type the nice designs like this. So you can make the nice designs like this. Okay, and I'll just click on here, Control D. I'll take a new layer. Okay, so first if you want, I will take the box also. Okay, first I'll take the box of, this is my company name. So what I'll do, I'll just add some color for this. So what I'll do, I will add with the some gradient, which is I want it with the blue and white color. Okay, so I will go to here, gradient color. I will add. Everybody is watching, right? My screen is shared. Later we can do the changes, no problem. So what I will do, I will type the letter here. Okay, NICT. Type the letter here. I'll make this text with the white color. So I will make the text with the white color. So I need to make the background should be uh, more darker color. Otherwise for this only I will make it some effect. Okay, so you people already finished so these effects and all. Right click on this, there is option called blending option. So till now you people are practiced with the effects, so then it will be easy for you people. Okay, see, you can give little effect, no need to give more effects and all. Okay, I have so many effects, that means you have to give this bevel and emboss, not necessary. texture, not necessary. This is just a education related poster we are making. Okay, so only little drop shadow is enough. Okay, NICT, so I'll make it here. I will take with a different box, or I'll go with the same box. Okay, Control T. I'll make it like this, and here I'll just type here anywhere. I'll reduce the size. Later I will take it to up. Computer education. And take nice font also. So I'll go to here. Just I'll give white color for this also. It is here. Okay. Control T. Little bit bigger in size. You can make it. So otherwise, what we'll do? Otherwise, we'll go to this box. I'll add a box for this. Okay, so step by step you have to do. Okay, first you have to make the heading of what kind of posters you are making. So you have to, everybody should make the, I'll give the assignment later, everybody should do the poster design about the education. Okay, I'll just increase the size. Now this is a, see, we have the ruler here. Can you see up? This is a ruler here. So can you see everybody? There is a ruler here. This is the half of the page. So half of the page you should not make so much big headings like this. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take it little up. I'll just reduce the size of this. Control T to make scaling of this image. Okay, Control T to make the scaling of this image. Next, computer educations. So that one also I will take it little up, and I will just reduce the size of this. Okay, so because we have to add so many contents, correct? We have to add so many contents. What are the courses we have? How it is useful? Like if you are joining in our institute, like how it is useful. So we have to add some information in this. So here it is 43 is the text size. So I'll reduce it to 40. Okay, otherwise you can add some other text also. This text only looking nice. So I will go to this, just zoom it one by one. Everybody compulsory to do this kind of poster designs necessary. Okay, so I will make a box of this. Then I'll just go to this paint bucket tool, and I will just give white color for this. So here we have a white color. Black color is there. I will select it to white color. Okay, I'm just adding the color. Anybody having any doubt? I'm just, my text also white and the background also white. So what I will do, I will take it up, but you are not able to see the text now. So I will select this text and I'll give the blue color. Okay, so blue color, whatever the same blue we are using here, the same blue I'm giving. Okay, so it has become like this. Okay, so it has become like this. What we'll do now, if you want that line you can keep it, otherwise it will be like this. Okay, computer educations. So see here, zoom it and check the file like how it should be. So this is also Control T. I'll little reduce the size of this text. Okay, any other font also you can use it. Okay, slowly, no need to give more effects and all. Okay, that spelling everything is correct, right? So everybody is watching. What kind of poster designs everybody has to do? You have to decide now itself. I will ask in the end of the class. So that time you have to tell me. Everybody should do the educational related poster designs only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we have to, I'll take some image. Okay. So we have to use the curve shapes also. Let us see. So we have here having the computer course. So I have downloaded this image. So I will take this image. So how much ever I want, I will cut it. Okay. So how much I want now in this, I will go to this one. So all are practiced till now, all the tools what I'm using now, rectangular mark tool. So I will select this one. So only this much I want it, correct? So what I will do, I will select this or any of the things you can these are the preschool actually, not preschool. So these are the not college students. Okay, so computers course for these people. I'm just taking the image. You can take any of the images, no problem. Otherwise, I'll have some other images also. See these college students images, you can take it. Otherwise, yeah, I have this image also. So this is so small image. Let me check whether it is working for this or not. So it has become so small. So if I'll increase the size of this, you have to take the images like this, something like this images, you can add it, no problem. This also you can use it. Any of the images also you can use it. Okay. But here any names should not be there. Okay. Any name should not be there. Okay. So these are the college students, something related to college students. Photo. You can take whatever the images you want, which the quality should be good. See, if I'll increase the size of this, it will be like this. Otherwise, any of the images like this also you can take it. No problem. Okay, that is up to you. Any images you can take it. See, if I'll increase the size, it should not be pixelated. So that is the main thing. Okay. Okay. So now you can add some curve shapes. Now I have to show the curve shapes. No. Let me check what else image I have. What else I have images. Okay. Yeah. We'll take that image only. Okay. So now I want some background. Any curve shapes we can add it. I'll go to the pen tool in the back side. So if the caps lock is on, you will get this kind of options. 4 dots kind of options you will get. If caps lock will off, then you will get this pen tool. So okay, in the side I will make some design. Okay, so just we'll make it later. If it is not matching means we can remove it, no problem. Okay, I'll just make this. I want to use this curve shapes, so that's why let me check whether it is matching or not. So what I'll do, I'll just take the curve shapes. It will come from the back side. Okay. Just yesterday people are practiced it all, so I'm not using more color in this. I'm using the colors, whatever the colors we have here, those colors only I will use it. So I'll take this blue only. I'll go to in that blue only I have to use the darker or lighter color. So we have this eyedropper tool here. I will select this eyedropper tool and I will give the color. Okay, so I can send it to back. So this is the shape. Okay, if you don't want the shape like this, means Control Z, and with this shape tool, go to the pen tool and convert point tool, we can do the changes of the shape. See like this, little bit, you can do the shape like this. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take a new layer and I'll go to this eyedropper tool. Again, color is selected. I'll go to the paint bucket tool and I'll add the color for this. Okay, I'll send it back of this layer. Okay, I don't want to disturb the heading of this. Okay, still I don't like the shape. One second. Go to this pen tool. Take a new layer. Then again go to the paint bucket tool. I'll add the color for this. Okay, and Control T. I'll just make it little small like this. Okay, I'll send it down. See, I'll send it down like this. Got it? Where I send it? See, back of this layer. NICT Computer Education is there, no? So back of this layer, I have sent it. Got it, everybody? Anybody having any issue? Anybody? Aditi, Fatima, Urushanki, all are there in the class. Juveria, anybody facing any problem? Is that okay? You can create a poster design. Well, Monday you can submit me. You should talk in the class.
Yes,
Prashanki. Okay. Again, I'll go to here. I'll take the duplicate copy of this. Okay. So duplicate layer I have taken here. Control left click and I'll just give the lighter color in this only. I'll just give the lighter color. So I'll go to this paint bucket tool and I'll add the color here. Control D. So I'll just make it up or down. Okay, you have to make the design like this. If you want to take this photo, you can keep it wherever you want. Okay, so I have to add some courses here. Where to add the courses? Okay. Later if you want we can change this. Okay, so what I'll do, I want to make the highlighting of whatever the courses we have. Okay, so okay, I'll go to the box and I will make one more box like this and I will add the, so anywhere take a new layer and give the color. Again with the paint bucket tool. What is going on? So I'll send it back. See, something is it should come behind this layer, means that time you have to use this kind of things. Otherwise you have to give the darker color also, no problem. Any darker color also you can give it. Something you have to highlight it. Okay, highlight. You have to do the highlighting things, means you have to use the other different colors. You can use it. Okay. So what color we can use it? No need to add too many colors. We have to use only some colors only. Okay. We'll use this color only. Otherwise we'll use in this only little darker color. Okay. Otherwise any gradient color also you can use it. Okay, I'll just go to the gradient color and we have simple colors are there, so any of the color also you can use it like this. Okay. Later we will do the changes of the colors, no problem. I'll send it down here. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to write here what are the courses we have. Okay. So just make it here. I'll just choose tally, choose success. I'll just make it with the white color. Okay, I'll put it wherever I want. I'll just make the white color. See, wherever the dark background is there, so there. Okay. Here, everywhere you can do light. Any font you want to highlight it means you have to select this and you can use a different kind of font. Okay, we have see like this. We have the font. Still, it is not able to visible. So that time what happened? So I'll give light drop shadow for this. Okay, right click on this again. You know blending options. In that, see if I'll give drop shadow, it will look nice. Actually, the depth will come. Okay. Okay. So okay. So what are the different things are there? We have to add it here. So if we want, have to reduce the image size because we have to add the more content. So that time we have to add here. Okay. So before that you have to save the file, save as. Okay. So what is this? Poster design. Okay, poster design. You have to save the file like this. I want it in both the format, Photoshop format or JPG format. Both the format you have to use it and don't use multiple colors and all. So you have to use only simple colors. Only 2 or 4 colors only you can use it. Okay. So we have to mention the certifications. Okay, what are the certifications we have? Okay, so all those things we have to mention it in the poster designs. So where we could mention, later we will do the placement and all. Just I'll just type some of the things. 100%. I'll select this one. I select the text and I will only which part of the text I want. I will reduce only the size of that only. See, I will select C. Here both the things are in one single layer. So I select T. Otherwise I will select only this much part and I will reduce the size of that. Okay. So if I'll reduce it means it will become very small. So what I will do, I will select this 100%. Then I will increase the size of this. Okay, wherever I want to place it means I will add it over here. Okay, so I will change the text of this, select it like this, and see, it should be sit here only. I will select this much and let me check whether how much we can do it up. So you can give with the different color. 24 is there. So let me check. See here. Should fit with this only. Okay, for this you can use any custom shape tool. See, I'm using all the tools for the poster design. See, custom shape tool, you can use it. See, this kind of shape. See, something you are highlighting. That's why. So, correct. So, for this, we have control enter, control D. Okay, but we have to highlight it means we have to give the color. Okay, here is that. It is taken with the effects only actually. So I'll just give, I don't want any effects, only the color. Okay, only the color I will give. Okay, so I want it with, I want to highlight this. Let me check. Opacity is less, 10%. That's why it is not coming. Okay. Why the color is like this with the effects? That's why already it is taken with the effects. That's why the color will be like this. Yeah. So we can do the placement later, no problem. One second. Oh, yeah, both are in the same color. That's why not able to see it properly. So this one I need to highlight means I have to select the color. Let me check. Any of this color you can use it compared to darker shade you can use it. Now reduce the size of the text. Okay, let us see where we can place this. Okay, 100% job assistance. I think we have to use the different font for this. Still not looking proper. I'll select only this much, how much ever I want. So I'll just give 50 or 45. We should not place this one here in the down. So we'll place it somewhere here in the up. Others wherever we can make it here. So I'll just select these two things. Shift, I'll use the shift key. So I'll press this layer and I'll press this one. So now what happened? These both are in one single group. So this work is over. Any of the things you have to make it means we'll make it group and both the things should be in a one single layer it should be. So any blending options you have to make it, for example, you have to add the stroke for this text, otherwise drop shadow, otherwise you have to make the color, see like this 100% you have to highlight it, so that time we can use this color. Okay, any of the things we have to highlight it, so that time we can use this option. Okay, this 100 is looking very far. very near. Okay, let it be like this only. So what I will do, I will select both the layer and I will group it. Okay, Control G. I will select one of this layer first. Next, I will select this one. Okay, so both the thing I will select it and I'll do Control G. Okay, so what happened? This has become one group. Okay, this has become one group. Now this complete thing has become one group, and I will move it. So wherever I want, I'll place it. Okay, wherever the space is there. Okay, so later we can do the changes. No problem. Wherever it will suitable. Okay, so we'll make the changes of this. So any of the space we have to make, so just move it. See, like this you can move it. Like this you can move the text like this. And I want my this thing, I need some place for this. Okay, I'll add this. Okay, if you want to go inside, this means you have to, there is arrow mark will be there, you have to select this and any of the shape. See this shape, color you want to do changes. So is it looking something different color, you don't want this color. So any of the things you have to highlight it. Otherwise text having this outline not looking good. So any of the things you want to do the changes, you can do it with this. Here we have the FX layer is there, and here I don't want this outline. Okay, something like this. Only this much is enough. Drop shadow. This much only enough. You can try with this. Okay, any of the text you want to do the changes. Otherwise, for this shape, again for the shape, any effects you want to add. Otherwise go to blending options, only the drop shadow you have to add. So here the effect, what is the problem with effects? If I'll add the effects, it is taken so many options here. I'll click on this effect, just add the drop shadow. If we'll add the drop shadow, that much only enough actually, no need to add too many effects and all. Okay, so you have to keep on saving the file save. Okay, so later you can reduce the image size, or see here like this you can do the things. So you have to add multiple things actually. This text, I don't like the text of this. I will select this one. Okay, select like this and check with the different fonts. Okay, no need to hurry with the, like I want to finish it by Monday, and this is a final assignment for you people. Okay, till now you people have sended me all the assignments. Okay, so this is the final assignment. Okay, so because I want poster design should be proper. Okay, just it is there in the group, so that's why you can easily move it. You can select. Afterwards, you can close this group. Why we should make it in a group means, once we will finish the poster designs, we having too many layers here. So we are having multiple layers. Okay, so that's why we get confused with the so many layers and all. So that time we have to make the group. So FX and text should be in one group. So like that. Okay. So what else we can do it? Okay. So what are the courses we have? So that just I will type it here. Master Diploma in multimedia animation. Okay, just I'll select this one. I'll just change the font. Okay, just highlighted. So here, look at here. This is the main font. Okay, this is our company name. This should be in a main font. Okay, this is a very big font actually. Font size will be very big. Later, if you want, you can reduce the size of this font. No problem. So we have to highlight the company name. So if it is big, become big means later you can reduce the size. Select it like this and okay. So like that. Slowly we have to reduce the size if it is become big. Okay. Otherwise it will be okay means okay. Okay. So master diploma in multimedia and animation. Okay. I'll select those particular layer and I'll just give nice font. Okay. Should not having any italic kind of font like not with the very strict yeah, not like this with font also, like you just normal font, no problem. No need to use any art thing in this. Okay, which we can read easily. You have to give that kind of font. Okay, so you can add different things here. Master diploma in multimedia and animation. So like that we can use the shape also. Otherwise you can use the box also. Any of the things which is highlighting here now. Which is this option, this one. So I'll press control. If you want to change the color here, so I'll go to here. I'll just want to some color like this. If you want to highlight it, you can highlight it with this color. Okay, for this you can use the blue color. Okay, only wherever we have to highlight it. Okay, so we can highlight it. Anybody tell me color, which color shall I give? Anybody? I'll go to the new layer. Nobody is talking today class. What happened, girls? Why you all are silent today in the class? Okay. Let us see what we can do. Okay. So where is our text is here? Again with the text layer. Again we can use the. Let us see if I'll use this color. It won't look nice. So I'll use the white color only. For the white color, we can add the drop shadow. Right click on this, blending options, and this option is called drop shadow. Okay. So I'm always using the drop shadow only. I'm not using multiple effects and all. So before class only I have given you people time. So use the different colors and all. Later we will give the background with a nice color. We can give the background color. Okay. Otherwise we can give the background color now only because we have to highlight each and everything means. So we have to give the background color. Okay. Otherwise we have to change everything. Okay. So what we'll do, just we'll make it little colorful. For this we will give some other gradient. Let us see if I'll give this gradient. Then we have to change the text font also. So where is that? Choose tally. I'll select this one and I'll change the color. I'll change the color into black. It won't look nice. Okay. Let it like this only. Later we will do something. Okay. So now what is our company logo, which is we are following? That is the blue color only, blue and this white color. Okay. So if you want to highlight it, can use the black color. See, we have to remove the drop shadow. So then the text will get highlighted. Otherwise, drop shadow if will give, it won't be highlighted. So when you are taken a black color text, so that time you have to give the drop shadow, you have to give it. You can give white color drop shadow. Otherwise, you can reduce the size of the drop shadow. Means opacity, you can reduce it. So you can make it little light. Otherwise, no necessary giving the drop shadow. Okay. So we have to make the simple design, simple poster. No need to make any complicate because I have to use the shapes and I have to use the text. With that, I'm using this image also. Okay. So later we can do the changes here. See now what happened. See this is one layer. So this is one layer. And where is the box for this? Here. I'll bring it down here only because I want to make it as a group. So where is the group? See this one and here. Both are together here. So I'll press shift and both are selected. I will make it as a group. Control G. So I'll select both the things and I'll make a group for this. Okay. Okay. So what else we can add the text? Anybody can tell, no problem. Anybody? Here we'll add some more option. Here we can add some of the important lines we can add. Get your dream job ready, something we'll add. Okay. Some some of the taglines, okay, some of the catchy lines and all you have to add it. Get you. Okay, double click on this. I'll go to the text tool. I'll just change the font. Okay. Okay. I think image is coming here. That's why it is having the problem. See, look at here. It is going under the image. So now image is having white color means what you can do? You can place it on the image. No problems. Image is here. Otherwise, you can cut how much ever part you don't want this in this image. I'll select this image. See this much per part you don't want means I'll just delete it. White color is there, you are not able to see like till where if you remove the background layer then you will get to know. See this much is there, image is there till here. So now get your dream job ready. So this is my highlighting part. Okay, so highlighting part also you can use some shapes for this. Okay, so I'll go to this custom shape tool. Let me check what kind of, I don't want to use more shapes and all. Let us see what we can use it. We already highlighted with one shape. Okay. If we will place with the box also, no problem. Okay, this kind of shapes we can use it. Okay, just using the shapes. Okay, so just like this. Get your dream job ready. I want to highlight it this part. So I will use the same color. Whatever the color I have used here. Okay, so where is my box? My box is here down. I'll make it down here. Okay. So anybody feeling difficult? You should tell me now only. Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Is it okay? You people can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no need to add so many things here. Okay. So it is taking effects. I'll take this color only. Let me check whether I can give this color or not. Sometime color will not take. So I'll go to this eyedropper tool and select it, and when you're adding the shape itself you have to take the color. Otherwise go to the effects and we have, I'll remove all the things. Here we have an options called color overlay. So in that we can take the same color. Is it the same shape? Okay, there is some problem with the shape I think. So what I'll do, first I'll make this, delete this shape. Okay, I don't want that shape. So first what I'll do, I'll just make the text. Okay, this text is fine. So for that I will add some simple custom shape tool. See, I have taken this color only now. Why it is taking same blue color? Shape I have taken. Okay, okay, it is taking the style. So I will lock it. The style. Why it is taking the blue color only? Okay, now let me check. Yeah, again it is taking blue color. Save the file. Any other place it is adding the shape? No. Taking this color only. No style. I don't want any style here. Please just recommend, automatically it will take these styles and all. So that time you have to use this one, no style. Click on here, the small button, and open here, no style. So automatically whatever the colors you want to take, so that color only it will take. Otherwise you're not able to find what is the things happening. See, now it is taking the color. Okay. Here. Now I will go to here, Control T, Control T. I have to place this shape back of this layer, correct? So again image is there, so only how much ever we want, only that much only we will add it. Okay, so get your dream job ready. Just I'll keep it here because both are together now. So I'll just how much ever I want, I'll just reduce the size. And see, you have to adjust the space everywhere. First, you have to type the title of the company and what kind of posters you have to make. Any kind of education, this thing you can take it. Otherwise, you have to make same thing what I have created. You can copy the same thing, no problem. Okay, so you people are not getting any idea means this is a final assignment for you people. Okay, you have to create a, poster design like this. Afterwards, I will tell you in the menu bar some of the effects are there. Here we have some effects are there that I will tell you. But there is no much bigger assignment for this one. Okay, this is a bigger assignment for you people. Okay, so get your dream job ready. So what you have to do, you have to select this shift and control G, group it. So what I'm saying, so everybody should send me the assignment, and you have to send me the pictures of layers. I want to check all the layers are there or not. How much you people are added the layers and all. So whether you people are did the grouping things and all not. Okay. So you have to type the text like this. So you have to add the images on the right side or left side. Anywhere, any kind of images also you can take it. Okay, student images. So like this, you have to add the contents like this. Okay, you can add some more contents here. Okay, let me check what contents I can add it. Anybody having any idea? Okay, so just see now what happened. The layer is went inside this group. I'll close this group. So what I'll do, I will select like this and just add some simple font. Okay, I'll just make this. Otherwise, you can add any of the options, other options and all you can use it. Okay. You have to add multiple text and all. Okay. Later we will check whether we can add it for this. For this. After the image it should go. So like this we can change the text font and color of the text. Okay. Just we have to highlight means we have to take the bold font. Okay. Okay, we have to add the box for this. Okay, just add a box, and any transparency kind of the gradient you can give it, whatever the just take a new layer and take a new layer and add it with the box. So we have to highlight these things, so that's why I'm using these boxes. Again we have to use the same box. Okay, so we have to add some more things in this. Okay, so like this, what else we can add it? So everybody following, right? Anybody having any doubt? See the same font, whatever the font says 24 here, the same font I want to use it, the same text. So I'm checking it here, advanced certification. So you have to highlight the points actually, no need to tell in detail. So you have to highlight the points. Okay, so how much ever you want, you have to highlight the points. Advanced certifications and all those things you have to highlight it. Okay, anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You can do it, right? So I'm not using more colors, just save the file. Afterwards don't tell me, ma'am, I did this work and I'm unable to save it. Okay, you have to keep on saving the file. Okay, so I'll just use the pen tool. If you want to add the address, phone number and all, you can add it with the any of the shapes like this. You can add it, you can make it. So I'll just make a shape like this. Let us see whether it is suitable for this. I'll check it in the background. After this background layer, I will take it here. Then I'll go to the gradient tool. Just add the color. If I don't like it means I'll just remove it, no problem. Okay. So control and just add the color, whatever the colors you want. Okay. Oh, it is 100% opacity. Why it is not coming full? Okay. For this also shape also you can give the blending options. You can give the drop shadow. So you are not able to see the drop shadow because see it is like this. Drop shadow angles and all you have to change it. So later we will see this. Okay. Whether we have to give this or not. Unable to see the color properly. So we can use the same color what we have given here, that only we can give it, no problem. So this box I will put it down. Where is this box? Yeah, this two layer it should go down. See, that's why I'm telling you people, I have made so many layers now. So down of this layer, see now it has come top of this. Okay, again you can take the duplicate copy of this duplicate layer, control D, See, like this shadings will come. Okay. Shadings you want, you can add it. Otherwise, you can keep it like this only. Okay. So like this, you can make it. I'll take this slowly. You can add the shape like this. Okay. So now the design will be like this. So we are the designer, so we cannot do the simple design. So we have to add some of the designs like this. Okay. So I will add some of the, so one more course here. Any of the informations I will add it here. Let me check what kind of information can add it. Okay. This learn from expert. Okay. So we can add the box for everything. You have to highlight means you have to add the box for this. Take a new layer and go to this gradient tool and just add the. If you drag it from here, you will get a light color. Otherwise, we have light color also here with this, and so okay. So can use the multiple color. Again, blending options. You can give the drop shadow. Okay. So drop shadow with the distance, it will come like this. Okay. So like this, you can add too many information for the poster designs. Too many information you can add for the poster designs. Then what else we can add it?
Contact number.
What?
Contact number, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Contact number and all we can add it here. The down. Okay. Layer should be in the top of everything. So then it is possible we can add the color for this. Won't look nice means directly you have to add the contact number, everything. We can make it like this. Okay, so we have some more spaces are there. So I'll just type the website of this www.nict.com. Computer. I'll just make the text will be in the black color. Okay. Just I'll go to this control T. Till here. We can add the phone number, everything here only actually. Just I'll give some bold font. Control D. Okay. So like this again, if you want to buy transparent box, you want it means you can add some box. Otherwise, the box with having Only the outline also we can add it. Otherwise we can go to the color. Any other color we can give it. I'll go to this paint bucket tool. If I want this white color, let me check if I'll give the white color, and the opacity is very less. Like I'll give opacity with only 20%. Opacity only 20%, I can use it. Opacity, otherwise I'll give 50% opacity. So like this you can use it, and you have to put it down like this. Okay. NICT computer education.com. Okay, otherwise you can reduce the size of this text. So now you can see the back side, what are the shapes are there. So that also you can see it. Okay. Contact us. Otherwise, just I'm giving the website. That is enough. Then what else we can add it? Yeah. I forgot to add one more information. Okay. Master in digital marketing. Okay. That also I want to write it here. So I need more text here. Okay. So I don't want very less text. I want from you people. If you'll copy the same thing also, no problem. Okay. Something like that. You can add it here. You can add more contents. Okay. So I'll just add the font. Take a new font. Yeah, this is a perfect font. Just I'll increase the size of this. And you can add the shape also. Otherwise, you can add this circle elliptical tool in the back side. You can add this elliptical tool and take a color here. And if you want again the gradient color, you can add it, or a single color also can use it. Okay. So for this we need some more time to make it perfect. Okay. So color combination, everything. I'm making this oval shape, and select. You have to select that particular layer, then only it is possible to make it like this. Press control, and if you want to change the gradient shape, like different shapes, different. Okay. Okay, one things I'm highlighted. So this shape blending options, I'll just give drop shadow for the shape. See, the shape will come like this. Otherwise you can take the square shape only, no problem. I just added the different shapes and all here. Take a nice image, should not be pixelated. Okay. So this image quality is good. That's why I'm taken this image. Okay. So like this, you have to add the contents. So anybody can copy the same thing, or you otherwise you have to do any of the different things also, you can make it, but you have to do something which is related to educational only. Okay, where is the text? See, you have to select particular text, then only you have to make the changes. Okay, see, I have to keep it this on in the center. So you can use the mouse key, and you can add the things and all. So I'm just saving the file, whatever the works I have did. Okay, this is the final assignment for you people. I want the complete assignment. Okay. So you have to make this assignment. You have to add any kind of things. Uh, okay. So you can add some more text in the background. Also, you can add the color. Okay. I have given this white background here. You can take the different background and you can add it. Otherwise, this white color only it is matching means you can add this only, no problem. Otherwise, you have to take a new layer here after this background, and you have to remove this background, and you have to add the color here. Okay. So what kind of color? If you add this brown color, it will be like this. Before itself, we have to add the color. Otherwise, we have any color like this, it will be like this. Okay, so you can decide what color you want to add. So if I give blue color, everything it will be in blue color only. Okay, any of the color you can choose it yourself, and you can add it like this. See, now everything is having almost same color only. So I'm just want to keep it as white only. So I like it white. White means it will be highlighting. So I'm not using multiple colors here. I'm using very less color only. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? You can ask me. I want Monday. I want the assignment from everybody. I will note it in the class who are did the assignment. See here. Now this one I want to highlight means. So I will select only this text. I can give different font for this. See, different font I'm giving for this only. See, you can change the color of the text. I'll select it like this, and I want it white color. Like this, we can add it. See, like this, you can add it. Some color also, you can add it like this. Okay, simple things means for this only you will get so much time. You need so much time for this only. So, what you have to do? Okay, select two different things we have to highlight with the different font. So then only we'll get to know there is something new thing is there. So that's why we will look at this, right? See here. So it is more. Okay, select it properly, and okay, anybody having any doubt, ask me. Okay, I'm just given the text like this only. Digital marketing like this. You can add the drop shadow, otherwise you can change the color. Otherwise you can change the text color to blue color, dark blue, or any of the blue color you can add it. Otherwise you can add the little dark color like this. You can change the background also. Now we don't have much time to change the background and all, so we have only this much time. So that's why we created the poster design like this. Okay, so small changes and all we have to do still. Okay, see here, little you have to make the font reduce size, all those things, small things and all. We have to add the phone number, everything we have to make. We have to create some space and all. So little small changes we have to make everything which are texts are sitting on the box or not. Okay, so you have to make a poster designs like this. Everybody can do this poster design. Anybody having any doubt? Everybody can do the poster designs. Fatima, Sharoon,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the final assignment for you people. You can do the poster design like this, right? So I will save the file. Yes, I will save it in a Photoshop format, and I have to save as in the format of JPEG. See, now I'm saving the format of JPEG format. By the time, if I don't have any software, so by the time your trial version will get expired. So if you save it in a JPG format, it will be there always. So now whatever the file I did whatever the design I have created. So yeah, it is here, poster design. See, this is my final output. Okay, so you have to make the poster design like this. Okay, you can copy the same posters, no problem. You can add the curve shapes. Okay, you can add the text, you can add the gradient. Otherwise, you can do it with the different color combination. Okay, so Monday I need a poster design from you people. I will write the name, everybody's name who did the poster design. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Aishwarya, Juveria.
We should do